Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatma Shamshad and I welcome you to Javed Publishers. In this video, we will learn a lesson from English 5 Plus, that is poems. Dear students, आज के लेसन में हम इंग्लिश पोम्स पढ़ेंगे। जी मज़े मज़े की इंग्लिश पोम्स, दैट इज़ मिस्टर सन। और हमारी दूसरी पोम का नाम है जैक एंड जिल। सो आइए चलते हैं अपनी फर्स्ट पोम की तरफ। ओ मिस्टर सन, सन मिस्टर गोल्डन सन, प्लीज शाइन डाउन ऑन मी। ओ मिस्टर सन, sun Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh Mr. Sun, Sun Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. प्यारे बच्चों, अब चलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट पोम की तरफ, and that is Jack and Jill. Yes, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown and Jill came trembling after. Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper. He went to bed to bound his head with vinegar and brown paper. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown and Jim came trembling after. Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper. He went to bed to bound his head with vinegar and brown paper. Dear teachers, students को आपने ये rhymes with intonation and rhythm के साथ पढ़ानी है जी। तो उम्मीद है कि आपको आज का लेसन अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा and you must have enjoyed it. तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें और जुड़े रहें बोलती किताबों के साथ।